Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 125th scale 1977 Pontiac Firebird from Revell. This car was featured in the 1977 movie Smokey and the Bandit and was driven by Burt Reynolds. So now let's take a look at what's there inside the box. So that's the body, the clear parts, the chassis pieces, the interior, the chrome bits, the tires, a metal axle and a few screws, and the instruction manual, which also includes the decal sheet. So here's the body, which looks really nice, but there are a few minor imperfections which I'll have to take care of. This is how it looks like from inside. So this is the bonnet, which looks really nice and it's well detailed under it. It slides in easily into the body and it does not have any major panel gaps. The front bumper, bonnet scoop, the mirrors and the side air vents are separate pieces. Here's the interior tub and the seat bags for the front seats. It looks really nice. There's the door cards, the front seats, the steering column, the steering wheel and the dashboard. Here's the chassis of the car, which is really well detailed. The front suspension is a separate piece and here's the top of the engine block. There's the Bandit set and some parts for the engine. There's the rear axle and other engine components. There's the exhaust pipe, the engine block and some more engine parts. So here are the chrome parts and there's the front grille and the rear taillight assembly, the mirrors and some other parts. There's the outside piece of the wheel, the top of the engine block, the exhaust tips, the dashboard piece and some other parts. So here are the clear parts and the front and rear windshield is a single piece. There are the lenses for the headlights and the tail lamps. And here are the T-tops, which look really nice. The tires do not have any major flashing pieces on it and the tread pattern is very clear. So here's the instruction manual and it has some details about the real car and some instructions on building it. There are some more instructions and the parts list. And this is from where we start the build. I have also linked the instruction manual in the description box below. The front ride height can be adjusted to 2 levels. And that's the decal positionings. The decals look really nice and the Firebird logo is really well detailed. The decals are mainly the golden stripes which run around the car. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you in the full build video.